Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is pivot table. Okay, today I'm showing how pivot table works and what is pivot table and how it is work. Okay, so we need to first we need to know about pivot table, how to use and when to use pivot table. Okay, so first of all, what is pivot table? So pivot table basically it's a data summarization tool in Excel. It helps us to calculate, summarize, analyze large data. Also, we find any trend, pattern, and also we compare data. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, we need to go to the Insert tab, and okay, first of all, we need to select the table. Okay, so I apply pivot table on this table. Okay, so after selecting the table, go to the Insert tab and then click the pivot table option. Okay, that's it. Then one message is pop up is it's showing the table range. Okay, whole table. Then there are two options. One is new worksheet and existing worksheet. So new worksheet is if we choose new worksheet, then a new worksheet is open. Otherwise, if we choose existing worksheet, then it's open the location where I can open or where I can use pivot table. Okay, so new worksheet. Okay, see, it's open a new worksheet and see the all feature already showing in there. Okay, so and also there are four options: filter, columns, row, and values. Okay, so I show you use of those options and how we use. Okay, so it's a sample data. Check the description. I will give the link of this data set. Okay, no problem. So basically it's a normal four question. I just paste it. Yeah, done. So the first question is group sales by region, salesperson, or category. Okay, so as you see, the region is east, west, south, north, and then it's so uh, group the sale by region. Okay, total sale. Okay, so region, group the sale by region. That's it. East, north, and south all are showing, and based on what total sale. So one question is, see the sum of all total sale, east, north, south, and west. East, north, west, and south. So if we sum up all of this, then we